My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied the compositions of waters, and today we are going to study another very important topic, which is physical properties of waters. Now, let's discuss in details. Physical properties of water. Physical properties are those properties that can be observed without changing the chemical composition of a substance. Water has several unique physical properties that make it essential for life. Now let's discuss one by ones and details. First one, state of water. Water exists in three physical states: solid, in like ice; liquid, waters; gas, water vapors. This property is important for the water cycle. Second one, color, taste, and odors. Pure water is colorless, tasteless, odorless. Any change in these properties indicates impurities. Third one, boiling point. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade at standard atmospheric pressure. At this temperature, water changes from liquid to gas. Fourth one, freezing point. Freezing point of water is 0 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, water changes from liquid to solid ice. Fifth one, density of water. Water has a unique density behavior. Maximum density at 4 degrees centigrade. Ice is less dense than liquid water. That's why ice floats on waters. Sixth one, surface tension. Water has high surface tension due to erosion bonding. This allows small insects to walk on water's formation of droplets. Seventh one, specific heat capacity. Water has a high specific heat capacity. This means it can absorb a large amount of heat without a large change in temperature. This property helps in regulating body temperature, stabilizing climate. Eighth one, solvent property. Water is a good solvent. It dissolves many substances such as salts, sugars, gases. This property is important in biological systems, industrial processes. Summary of these lectures. Water is important physical properties. Summary of physical properties of water. Water has important physical properties exist in three states: colorless, tasteless, odorless. Boiling point 100 degrees centigrade, freezing point 0 degrees centigrade, maximum density at 4 degrees centigrade, high surface tension, high specific heat, good solvent. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and physical properties of waters. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.